A lot of people still think animations with GSAP, that's gotta be this code-only stuff, right? Only for those pro developers. But here's the game changer most people are still sleeping on. GSAP is now directly integrated right into the Webflow Designer. The same animation library that powers most of those award-winning sites lately works now without writing a single line of code. No more copy-pasting random code snippets. Just open the timeline, drag and drop your action steps in, and suddenly your project feels like the real high-end work. In this Webflow GSAP Masterclass, I show you exactly how to unlock its full potential. Visually, without ever writing a single line of code. There is now a real timeline. Incredibly smooth easings. Super clean stagger effects. And split text that turns headlines into moving typography art. And above all, scroll animations that feel like a new Apple product launch, but now just on your own side. No more trial and error, just results that blow clients away. Together, we build a modern studio layout with motion that breathes and holds the attention. I will guide you step by step, first through all the basics, and then we move on to advanced animation techniques where design and movement truly become one. And after that, you are not just animating something pretty anymore. You animate in a way that's impossible to ignore. You deliver projects that clients pay serious money for because they feel like custom-tailored brand experiences. I'm Jonas Erlert, founder of Formburg, and everything in my courses comes straight from real project experience, not from theory or assumptions. For years, I've been sharing my Webflow knowledge publicly in hundreds of tutorials, and animations have always been my biggest passion. In this course, you don't just learn where all the new buttons are. You learn how to really think with GSAP inside of Webflow now. So your animations, they don't just run, they actually sell. If you finally want to build sites that don't just look good, but make clients stop and go, ooh, yeah, that's exactly what I want, then this masterclass is your next step. Can't wait to see you inside.